Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you hair combo you need to try using new Petal update hairstyles and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to the hair selection area and then I'm going to choose this here. Wait, I'm going to choose the new hairstyle. Okay, this one. And then also this one, but choose only bangs. All right, and then we're going to use wait, oops, sorry, we're going to use bangs. Go to the bangs and you can choose this one. Okay, and the last one, go back to the feminine category and then you're going to choose, wait, let me scroll it. Wait guys, okay, it's almost there. Okay, you can use this one. And now it's time to mix and match the color. You can choose the color that you like. I'm just going to make it blonde. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm just going to make all of them blonde. Okay. And this one, make it blonde. Alright, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.